The Browns are still here. Little Minka Air Supra. I've always wanted one of these, but I don't have time or place for it right now. That little Cool Breeze is still here. The bigger, well, same size, more blades. Cool Breeze is still here. Little Profile. Design House. I think these are a Menards fan. That came in today. And then we finally got this rack full again. Almost everything had sold. That Menards turn of the century is still there. That Thomas Industries is still there. The 2 heater fans and the Minka are still there. This W52 came in today. This Bayport came in today. And this, whatever it is, came in today. Okay, thanks for watching.